Hello guys, good morning. I have this drone for almost 4 months now, and I noticed about the zoom out. Uh, the video will cut up, and then another record for zoom in coming back. But I'm surprised today. I tried it, and then I just got one video from zoom out and going back zoom in. It's just one video. I think it's a good review from the YouTube before that they notice it's kind of hassle like to have a two record in one flight. So maybe it's a new update, I don't know, but good job guys, whoever that guy that did the review. And I'll show you the sample flight. Have a good day.